YouTubers, here we go to the Rainforest car wash.
This is Lakeside.
Yep, it's Lakeside Rainforest. Make sure that's the Ryko Sachlas and go use that bay.
Use which bay?
This one? Yes. This one's a Washworld. Razor car wash. There's this razor on the sign. Washworld.
We're gonna get the top wash too today.
Yes, we're gonna get it. It's a Washworld car wash.
Will you dry the car off for me at least?
It's Washworld. Looks like it's just the same. He just said, please drive forward. This is the same wolf talking as a IQ DNS. Looks like it just did a DNS.
It's a DNS.
It's a Washworld car wash. Is it good? Keep on going.
It's touchless.
Of course it is. Stop. Here.
Thank you.
No problem. So we're going to do all the... Roll up the window.
Can't. Kitty.
It's about to return, okay? I like that car wash. I like how it did the talking. Like, well, do the sunroof.
Oh.
So it's same as a laser wash M5. It's like a laser wash M5. So it's a Washworld. I love Washworld.
Really? What do you love about Washworld? Everything?
Yes, it has blue arm inside the Washworld.
Oh my God! It stopped.
It's about to start again.
It better. Oh my God! It stopped. Oh, okay.
Oh wait, it's just doing all that high pressure rinse. It just stopped for a few seconds. Just the touchless. Oh, it's doing 3 passes.
Maybe my tablet will come here for touchless.
I like it. I like how it did a high pressure rinse. Still sit stop. Okay, cleaning. Stopping cleaning. Oh, I liked it. I like how it did talking.
How they're doing the talking?
Yes, I like it.
Okay.
Love how it does it. So it's like a laser wash M5. Do not drive.
Oh, okay. When can I drive?
Go into a dryer starts.
Oh, okay. It stopped again.
It's about to start some more in a few more seconds. Because it's just about to stop for a minute.
Okay.
It's not doing any fail.
Yeah, that would be epic fail.
So it's about to start.
Oh. It's not starting. Okay.
Don't worry about it.
I'm worried. How many minutes? You know?
I don't know. But it's not going to take more longer.
Not gonna take much longer?
It's not going to take so long, like 15 minutes. So this one is a Washworld. The same as the laser wash in 5.
What type of wash is this again?
Washworld.
Washworld. It's a razor, right?
Yes, it is a
They said
razor.
it's made in the USA. Washworld. Cool. A what?
Looks like it's just doing all that color polish.
I think she said a feeling.
It's actually when it starts turning. So it's like doing all the water. This one's a nice. I like how it does a bunch of rinses at this car wash cycle. They have a Ryko next door. Unless if it's a DNS.
They have a Ryko wash next door.
I think it's a DNS equipment.
Oh, so this one is different from the other one?
Yes.
Cool.
He said spot free rinsewater is now being applied to the vehicle.
You gotta see this. Let me see the camera.
What is it? Don't stop, okay?
I won't stop. They have these big rubber, like things, like rails that are just dragging up the
Drive out. Nice and slow. Okay. Just slowly. That's so you can dry your vehicle. This one has the same dryers as Alltech dryers. Anyway, our car is clean now. So the dryers are done. Thanks for watching. And that's the other bay right over here.
Okay.
Called a Ryko. And alright, thanks for watching and bye.